Hey guys, it's Chaitra and welcome back to my channel. So, in about 5 days is my brother's birthday. So I need to make a backdrop for my brother. So, I thought why not I take you all with me so I could show you how I planned and made everything. So, it's all gonna be Star Wars themed. Now, let's get started. So, just to have a clear idea, I'm using photopia.com to just edit up, gathering up different ideas and inspiration from Pinterest, Etsy, and Google. So, just to combine my different ideas and then I could improvise them and see how it looks, how to see the final look, so I would have an idea if it's gonna go good or not, or my brother will like it. So after this editing, I changed some plans like the balloon columns and also the birthday banner. So this helped me quite a lot, so I could visualize how it's gonna end up looking. So yeah, this was how I exactly planned. So I bought all my items that are golden frills, birthday balloons, black ribbon, black chart, and rest of the usual items like color papers, color pencils, and a pencil, and yeah. And if you're going out to purchase like me, here is a message from past me. Stay safe and wear a double mask. Take a rough sheet of paper and draw a rectangle which measures 15 into 10 centimeters and cut it out. Then fold this into half and draw a triangle and cut it out. So it will make a shape. Then take a black chart or a black A4 sheet and trace out this shape on it. Once you trace it, cut it out. You will need a lot of them to make the banner. So you will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them for happy and 8 of them for birthday. To make the letters, go to darfont.com and search for the font Star Wars. You will find a bunch of fonts and taking the soloist. Once you get the zip file downloaded, open the first true or open type file and install the font. I already have this, so I don't need to install it. Once it installs, open Notepad and go to Format in Font and type for the font you have downloaded. So you will find the font there and click on OK and you have your font ready. And then type happy birthday. So you're gonna take this as the guide and make the letters on the birthday banner shape. Now draw out your letters on a piece of chart and outline it with a black color sketch pen or marker. Let me give you a tip. So if you have these letters like A, D, P and all the letters and you can't cut it in the between, just cover it up with a black marker and voila, it's good now. So once you're ready with all the letters, take the shape and stick them on the shape. Now let's move on to the Star Wars part. Search for a Darth Vader photo on Google. Take a white color pencil or marker and draw it out. Cut the picture and make one more of it so you have 2 in total. Now take a punching machine and punch 2 holes in the shapes as well as the Darth Vader picture. Then take some black ribbon and combine all the letters as well as the Darth Vader symbol. I'm making 2 strings, one for happy and another for birthday. So it's probably around 11:30, so he'll come back at like 11:45 or 11:50. So I'm gonna quickly assemble in 15 minutes. And now let's quickly assemble them. So take a balloon strip to make the balloon column and put the balloon end into the hole. You could either do 2 balloons in a hole or 1. I'm doing 2. So once you make the balloon column, it'll look like this, and I hung it up to like a cupboard. You could either put it on the ground. I prefer to, hang it up. I tied it, and as you can see, it looks pretty cool. And I also hung up some golden frills to make it more attractive and full. So yeah. Now I'm taking these golden frills and I'm going to be sticking it to the wall, the cream color wall between the balloons. Our decoration is done, and here is the final reveal. It looks really cool and perfect for people who like black and gold, Star Wars. And yeah,